Hello and welcome, this is Anabrese, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Ho'oponopono and how you can use this ancient Hawaiian system to heal repressed emotions or trauma that you're still carrying around. So for the sake of this video, I'd like to use the example of unresolved grief and anger and how you can apply the tool of Ho'oponopono to basically release and transform these emotions and actually transform them within yourself so that you recover and heal. So the Hawaiian system of Ho'oponopono is based on 4 phrases, the use of 4 phrases that you apply to the emotions. And these are, please forgive me, I'm sorry, thank you, and I love you. So I know it sounds very oversimple, but actually it's very, very effective. So because when we say these phrases, they do, and we apply them to these emotions, they have a kind of quantum level healing if you do it properly and thorough. So first of all, we'll look at grief. So let's say you're experiencing grief. So what you would do is you would just, put your hands on your heart, take a few deep breaths, and you would just go through those 4 phrases. And so you would start with, please forgive me, I'm sorry, thank you, I love you. And I just want to explain a little bit deeper what you're doing. So when you say please forgive me, it's not coming from a place of blame or guilt about having the emotion. This is a system of complete acceptance of what you're experiencing and acknowledging it and then kind of giving love to it. So you're basically surrounding love with, the inner trauma that you experienced maybe as a child or through different life experiences. So please forgive me is really about forgiving the root cause of what you're experiencing. So you're not saying, please forgive, me personally, although that comes into it as well. So what you can do is say, please forgive me for the root cause of this grief that I'm feeling. And what that means is please forgive my part to play in the experience of this grief. But it's not about blame. It's just forgiveness. So please forgive me. And then we move on to I'm sorry. And this is it's like you're speaking to your inner child, basically. So you're just saying, I'm sorry, for the upset, I'm sorry. And then you're saying thank you, and then I love you. So thank you is about gratitude for entering into this dialogue with the emotions. So you're saying thank you for showing up, really, for healing. And then the last one is I love you. So it's like when we say I love you, it's so healing. When you say I love you to a person, it has a profound healing effect. I love you is 100% acceptance. So what we're really doing is coming from a place of unconditionality, unconditional love, in order to surround the emotion with love and acceptance and forgiveness and gratitude. Okay, so love, acceptance, forgiveness and gratitude are kind of the 4 elements within this system that are within those 4 phrases. So once again, the 4 phrases are please forgive me, I'm sorry, thank you, and I love you. So, and it goes the same for anger. Let's say you've got unresolved anger towards a past person. Then in order to clear that anger, because if you carry that around with you, the only person you're harming is yourself. So in order to bring peace within, to yourself, to your soul, to your heart. You are using this tool of transformation to transmute the energy of that anger and to give love to the cause and effect of that anger, and then release it with your love. So it's a good practice to do, especially with past relationships that were very hurtful. Forgiveness is so powerful, and also gratitude, for a lot of for the ability to experience and grow through what you've learned, the lessons. We have to appreciate the lessons that each life experience brings to us. So have a go with this tool. So once again, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you. And it doesn't matter what order they go in. But have a go at using these and applying them to any repressed emotions that you feel in your life. So it's a really, really useful tool, and I found it very useful for anxiety in the past when there was a major life change. And yeah, just if you would like to, speak to me about using this tool, you can contact me in the About section. And I use this as a healing tool in my coaching as well. So have a go and let me know how you get on in the comments. And I'm sending you love and light and healing. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed. Bye.